This is a certified pre-owned 2009 Subaru Forester. This crossover has an automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include heated seats, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, aluminum wheels, roof rails, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, performance tires, a passenger side vanity mirror, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an anti-lock braking system, a rear window defroster, and this vehicle has less than 38,000 miles. This Subaru has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.